You don't see the impact this way, or you do. Oh, that has a good shot of the impact. Yeah. Stop. I just froze it for a second, but I don't think I can zoom in on it much more. Yeah, it just disappears. Let's just bring this back one more second to show that impact. Okay, let's play that. Did I not do enough? Whoops. Go back. Go back. Go down. Okay, fine. Play. Shouldn't be there now. Yeah, we can go back a second. Oh, no, we can't. Go back. There's so much you can zoom without it disappearing. Yeah, sorry. There. Okay, here we go. Here comes the white one. And there's some sort of thing in front of it that kind of made a ball of wall. Yeah, black thing goes right through it. The white one, is it getting stalled by that? No. Maybe a little. So the black one seems to just curl across, no problem. I'm just going to move the screen. You see the white one there? You see the black one there? Boom. Okay, he's going to pass the World Trade Center soon. There, he goes right through it. Oops. There's the white one. I'm waiting for the white one. Okay, let's just focus on the white one. We see the black balls all the time. Let's see a few more black ones. It's right here. I'm going to circle it. Okay, now I'm going to stay off the screen. It's not moving as fast as that black one. Now here's another one underneath it. There looks to be like another black one trying to screw up her day. This looks like an attack. They don't like that white thing. But they're just kind of zooming in and trying to screw up its direction. Now I see something else on its way, but I'm not sure if it's going to make any contact or impact. Did you look at that poor thing? Look at that poor thing, you know? It just was in the sky minding its business. And there she goes. I don't know if we're going to lose her. We're going to lose her. Of course we're going to lose her. It's too bad. Too bad. We can't get any more. Nah, she's gone. She's gone. She's a goner. Weird, huh? Is that weird? And just to see what's walking on my Hudson River. Closing time. Somewhere goes in between. Stop.